Samsung is launching the Galaxy S25. Galaxy S25 series with the addition of the Ultra variant. It will come all the premium specifications and features in a compact body design and size. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The smartphone is coming with dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x touch screen display. Galaxy S25 is coming with the extremely fast chipset Snapdragon 8 Elite and protection of Corning Gorilla Glass Armor 2. And storage will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. The battery of the phone will be also a massive one. That is fueled with non-removable 5000 mAh and GPU of Adreno 830. The smartphone will be 12 GB of RAM with 6.9 inches display screen size with an 4.47 GHz octa-core CPU and 120 Hz refresh rate. Galaxy S25 Ultra will have quad camera setup on the back and main sensor will be 200 megapixel, 10 megapixel with 50 megapixel and 50 megapixel and a bright LED flashlight, and front camera will be 12 megapixel. The smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.